yenko kejetia Dubai say dem say minim say be koso afren Dubai kwam na no mko form pa ball la ne say bi esum ane wo hono mo na say dem kana na prempe wo hono mo Federation of Kumasi Traders mo president meneno bo awura sa ensem ne mo na the state of kejetia abusa me pesa wo tibi na oman na yesi ye chechire no aya me de me no hyiase a me mfa ho ne aban kra wote so a project bi ye ba yen omanfo no ma me mfa we nso enkasa ma yen katimamfo ye mu bebrebe ya ye katimamfo na ye de refer say ye ti oman ni mu nti na ye timamfo ba twi kasa ankasa o katimamfo a obi o ye foreigner a wono oman no ni mpuntu ni ne bibia emfa no ho no ono ne friend so o ye timamuni ana sa nkrofo ne from timamfo yen ne omanfo na yen omanfo asa ajapade eye aban sika na de eye sa aban no say yen dis na MPP no anya masem because yen bottom sika na de eye mumu bi na yen ye project we say yen start yen ye wie na sansem no nyina eye hu hia MPP ne frase o NDC ne frase o sabe nanado na net so anya ne bottom sika ena mahama te so anya ne bottom sika sa ne ma no muma yen koyanim ye project ene ye one ho project nipa ne free so no bisanse obetimi di bottom sika si toilet amawa anase na NDC ne frase market na NDC mahama ni onis no obesi market bi mu obi eye Ghana ye sika no de ye that's why we vote them as president or ye campaign nini MPs no money nam that's why we vote for them. So neither Nanado or Mahama or MPP and NDC, the project belongs to Ghanaians. And for that, but Ashanti region Kumasi, now the Dubai friend Dubai, Monko say what you are proud of, say Nanado mune you, so we you, some Mahama na you, so on you. Monko the state, you know. Say Nanado nemra maintainer. And I say John Dramani Mahama and Emra maintainer. The saddest part of my ne chichire pa ne say ye o manfo no so no ebi mu sebe ya dwene nyo opa ya de ne fe fama no ne man na bosumi miensa pe enti ayama na beka say your problem in maintenance culture. For Christ's sake, why should this be a problem? Ya de fe di amount woni ma de fa na ni ya de fe di amount wona wutimu no hweso ne maintain no so wuntimi na ye da powerful power. You see etore bia enye aban na oteso no na wa bia wonye ni papa bo na de ye ma wo no kwa wa hwe ni yesen de ye ma wo no wa hwe ni yesen ni akoye foforo de amount me ka we de a kire ho se ye tia no na yesu is it Kofi market and you heard the state of KJT market here in Dubai. Now I think it'll be 5 years in and I stand to be corrected, but I think it's 5 years. 3 years ago, a jato efa besine ye maintaining. So free su besi from ye mpanyin fo a omoba na muntu abama yen ebesi ne ye nyina sebi ase ya adwene no ye ndwene say ye person man no enkoso. Because whoever is responsible, those of us are more sure of Facebook anyway. You can join us on Facebook. It's Opemsuo Radio, as I mentioned, Opemsuo Radio on Facebook. And it's a also we are NPP ni. That's a project, you know, we are proud of it. But be actually it goes beyond. It goes beyond ABI individual maintenance. Until any management or. And I say, Kumasian, when you nimpa inform from marketing so. Mama join your Facebook, no, come and see something. So, what you ho? Would you ever be beyond Tunchain? NPP nim de no more ye, and no more marketing, and this nim de more ye, and no more marketing. And you nimpa inform of Shasso. And the thing is rusting, say, by your winning. You see, ye nipo by ye nema ye and a drew beyond here. One shall come send paying for her marketing. I hope so they have management. I hope so the people pay dues. And it's any money in our so I didn't know a dema umrona and rusty. Now timna air rusty no ya no so no obofobi na free be mekancho and son am poor repair. We have serious problems and we need serious people to solve them. Just join me on Facebook, Opemsuo Radio. Let's show what the state of the market. Mumu biyong mukwa enipane dos muna muna mo koba into unim. Ba odi ehwe Facebook da ko na mwana gangran. Na ebugu mudiani ebe hu se ompanyimfo omanyimu.